solve log of log x equals to 1. We have to solve this equation. That is, we have to find the value of the variable x. Here in this equation, we have two logarithms, and for both the logarithms, the base is not mentioned. In an equation, if there is a logarithm without base, we have to consider it is a common logarithm. Since the base is not mentioned for both the logarithms, we have to consider both the logarithms as common logarithms. Okay, if a logarithm is a common logarithm, then it must have the base 10. Since we consider both the logarithms as common logarithms, we can take base 10. So then we get log to the base 10, x equals to 1. Okay, to solve for x, we have to isolate x. That is, we have to get rid of all the stuff around the variable x. We have to get rid of this logarithm to the base 10, and we have to get rid of the second logarithm to the base 10. Then x will be isolated, and we'll be getting the value of x. Okay, to get rid of this log to the base 10, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this log to the base 10 to the other side. Okay, whenever I move a logarithm along with its base from one side of the equation to the other side, we have to ignore the logarithm. We have to consider only the base of the logarithm on the other side. The value which already exists on the other side will become the exponent of this base. So in the next step, we'll have log x to the base 10. I am moving this log to the base 10 to the other side. Then we'll just have only the base of the logarithm 10 on the other side. The value which we have already on the other side will become the exponent of this base. So we get log x to the base 10. 10 to the first part is just 10. Okay, now to isolate x, I have to get rid of this log with the base 10. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this log to the base 10 to the other side. When I move this log to the base 10 to the other side, I have to consider only the base of the logarithm on the other side. The value which already exists on the other side will become the exponent of this base. Okay, now I got the value of x. So in this equation, the value of x is 10 to the 10th power.